Hello? Yeah, everyone can hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I don't know why meeting got ended last time. Okay. Everyone has joined? Munib, Muazzam, only Ahmad is
there, ma'am.
okay. So I'm sharing the screen once again. Okay, yeah, Abdullah, you were telling me the answer. It is gone now. You have to tell me again.
Yes, yes. Can I annotate?
Yes, you can annotate, right?
Okay. There was 2
Yes, you're
and 1.
okay. Then
There is 6, 14.
where you're writing 14, you write 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, fine. Then this,
Over here it will be 10.
how you will write 2 places? Okay, here 10. 10 plus 1, 11 plus 9, 20. Fine. Here,
15. This 5 and here it will be 2.
okay. Okay, erase this now, Abdullah. Who else has done? Who else has done? Anybody else has done this? This is simple. You can do your own arrangements.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay,
But I did it the same way.
you did it the same way. Any other different arrangement anybody has done?
I did, ma'am.
I can try.
No, Abdullah, you have already done. So other any other person? Amina,
can
you
I
have
try?
done differently.
4 and 3.
Yeah, Humaira, you have done. Okay, write down. Humaira, you are doing. Who is doing over here? Humaira, can you annotate? Or you can tell me. Yes, Humaira, come on. Who is doing this? Red pen, 4, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, this is also correct. 4 and 3, 9, 3, 4, 4. Who is doing this? Humaira, are you doing? Okay. Then what else? The next line. This is okay. The next line. This line you fill. The top line, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then what else? Two.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I say one?
Yes, Safia, tell me.
In 20, add up to 20, na ma'am. 4
Yes.
plus 6 plus 10.
Where you are putting this line,
Yes,
okay?
yes.
Here, you are putting 6, but here this won't be 20 then. If you're putting 6 over here, this line won't make 20. It will be more than 20. So you have to put
4, 10, 9.
no 10.
For,
See, I'll give you the hint how you have to start. See, just erase everything. Erase this one. This is wrong. Yeah, this is correct. 1 and 2 is correct. Why? Because 14 plus 3 is how much? 17. So how much is left to make it 20?
3.
3. So you will divide these two digits into 3. So 1 and 2 you can put. Either you put 1 over here or 2 over here, or 1 over here or 2 over here. Any way you can put. So this is the right way. Yes, this is correct. 15 plus 1, 16 plus 4 makes 20. 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 9 makes 20. And here what will you put? Here it is 2, 9, 10, 11. So it is 9.
9.
Understood this? So this
Yes, ma'am.
way also you can put any
20.
2, 3 ways you can put. Here 4 and 3. Here you can put 6 also. You can put any combinations can be made. Okay, understood? But
4
here,
and 3, 7 plus 4 is 11 now, ma'am.
which line you're telling me? This line? This bottom
I
line?
can't see this number, ma'am.
Which number?
This side wala.
This is solution, huh? This is solution.
This one.
Just erase this. Humaira, you have done. Just erase this on the board. See, this line can be anything. This also erase. This line can be anything. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how much is left? 7. So 6 and 1 also you can write. Understood? You can make 7 by writing 6 and 1, 4 and 3. Any two combinations you can take to make 5 and 2 also you can make. 5 and 2 also make 7. Understood? So any arrangement can be made, but here you have to take 1 and 2 or 2 or 1 only. That is only left. Understood?
Yes.
Everyone? Okay. So moving on to our topic. Please erase this now, or should I stop share and again I'll share?
Ma'am,
Yes,
you can also erase everyone's, ma'am, if you're sharing.
I can erase.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
And
next.
you are the host, ma'am. You are the host also.
Acha, I'm the host, then I can erase.
And this one was done, ma'am.
This one was done, but next question also I think we have done. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
third question we didn't do. This question we have not done. Okay, so start doing this question, and I'll wait for 2 minutes, and then I'll give you the solution. So what is the first step that we are going to do? Just start.
36 and 54.
54, yes. So 36 will be divisor and 54 will be the dividend. So do it fast. 36 and 54. Don't wait for my solution. I want your solution.
Done this and I got the answer also.
You got this answer. You have already done, Amina.
No, ma'am, it is 108, not 1.
It is 138. So this third question we have not done. Just do this question and give me the answer. I'm doing, but don't look here. You have to remember that the remainder becomes the second divisor. Okay. Do it fast. I'm waiting. $36 and 54. Anybody has got the answer?
Ma'am, the answer is
18.
18.
Yes, 18. So 18 and next step what you will do? 18 and 138 answer you have to find out. Okay? HCF of 18 and 138. Safia?
The answer is 6.
Answer is 6. Anybody else has got? Safia, you have to do it in your notebook. I'm not doing it now. Second part you have to do.
Something came, so that's why I was removing that.
What came?
It was written Mandela Golden Square, so that's why I just removed
Acha,
it.
acha. Okay. So just solve this question. First part I have already done. Second 18 and 138 you have to divide. See what answer you are getting. Who has got? Muazzam, you have got 6.
Ma'am, I've got. And 6.
Saklain, you have got?
Yes.
Okay. Who else has got? Humaira, are you doing?
Ma'am, I got the answer 2 total full, ma'am.
Total answer you got 2?
Yes, ma'am. HCF is 2.
Okay, let me check. 18 sevens will go. First, how you are doing this? 18 sevens, how much is it?
Ma'am, I am doing with 18 ones, then 18.
Ma'am,
I got 6.
It will not do 18 ones.
Ma'am,
I got 6.
is the answer 6, ma'am?
Ma'am, I got 6.
You got 6? Let me check. 1, 2, 6. This is correct. 18 sevens are 8 minus 6 is 2 and 1, 12. Then I will do it here 18. 12 ones are 12 will go. Okay. So what is the remainder after here? 8 minus 2, 6. Answer is 6. Okay. Muneeb, you were getting 2. 2 is wrong. Division, see how you have to do division. The normal division method you have to follow. Only
Ma'am,
thing
my mistake was I did it with 1 in first. That 18
Manza will
is
not go, na? 138, how 18 Manza will go? 18
Yes.
Sevenza is 120.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Abdullah. 6 is the
Over.
HCF.
Yeah. I got, ma'am, the question is that over here, or right over here, ma'am, you should take 126, right? 12
Yes.
should 12 should be here, and here it should not be 18, I think.
No, here it is 12.
Yeah, I
Here
mean
is
here.
18. The divisor, the previous divisor becomes the dividend.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so previous divisor becomes the dividend, next dividend. Then you will again proceed the normal division method, and again the remainder becomes divisor, and the previous divisor is the dividend. Got it? What I am doing?
Yes.
Everyone has got this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Amina got the answer 6.
Yes.
Muazzam, Mudabbir, Ahmad got the answer 6. This method, I want you to learn this method. Muneeb, by this method, I want the answer. Okay? Is it clear, Muneeb, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us go to the next question. Next question is 300 and 396. So make 300 divisor and 396 as dividend. Just follow the normal division method. When you get the remainder, that remainder will be the divisor and the previous divisor will be the dividend. Now I'm not doing this question on board. On the screen, you have to, yeah.
There are 5 lines in left, so should I do it there or should I continue it on the next page?
Do it in the next page. Don't do it here. First complete, give me the answer, and then I'll tell you to do it on screen.
There you go.
Anybody has got the answer? 300 Vanza will go, okay? Is it clear or not? 396, 300 Vanza. First is 301. Anybody done?
Ma'am, I have got 12.
Who has got 12?
Me.
Saklain, you have got?
Yeah.
300 Vanza 300. Okay. Okay, Saklain, tell me the answer then. How we are going to proceed? Remainder is how much? 96. So 96 becomes divisor over here and 300 is over here. So 96, how many times it goes?
I'm 3.
3 times. Okay, what is 96 threes are?
118.
288.
288. So 288. I'm not checking. I'm going by your this thing. What is the remainder here? 12.
12. Yeah.
12. Then comes here 96. So what is now? It will go 12. How many times is 96?
8.
8. So what is the HCF?
12.
Yes. 12 is the HCF of, so this is your HCF. The last divisor is the HCF. Okay. Now next,
I got 12.
Ma'am,
yes.
96 threes is 300
96 threes is what?
306.
No, multiply. 6 threes are 18, 8, carry 1, 9 threes are 27 plus 1, 28. So 288.
Yes, ma'am. I also got 288.
Yeah, so 96 threes are 288. Is the method clear to all, everyone? Farhana,
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, HCF I got 12.
I have a question, ma'am.
Yes, Abdullah.
In 3 numbers, if you want HCF of 3 numbers,
Yeah.
which number should we take? I don't remember, you know.
The last HCF, first you will find HCF of 2 numbers, and then the HCF of 2 numbers, whatever you got, like I got 12, then I take 12 and the third number, and then I'll find the HCF. Got it? Once you find HCF of 2 numbers, then you
Ma'am,
take that
we
HCF.
take the upper number now, like this side,
The
and then
smaller
we write
number
it
will
down
be
now.
the divisor always. Okay? The smaller number, make it divisor, and the bigger number will be the dividend. Yeah.
We take this side number now, 96. So 12 and 96. So then we divide it 12
By
half
12.
to 96.
Yes. Then you divide 96 by 12 and you see
And
that remainder is 0. So that is why 12 is the HCF. Now here you got only 2 numbers. If you had 3 numbers, then you have to take 12 and the third number, and again the same process you will follow. Is it clear, Munib?
Yes, ma'am.
Munib, next answer I want it from you. Okay?
Okay.
So next question. Everyone try. I want to see who is doing faster.
That's one.
Now where's the question?
Giving. This is the solution. HCF is 12. This is the question. HCF of 852 and 1065. Do it fast. Smaller one should be divisor and bigger one should be dividend. Ahmad, are you doing? Yeah, anyone has got the answer?
बोल 1704 लेने का ये 8522 का 1704 आता है तो केस वाइट क्या लेंगे यहाँ पे बोल
Ma'am, I got 213.
अबे बोल ना लेकिन क्या
Please mute yourself. Whose background sound is there? Yeah, Mozam, what is the answer you got?
113.
113?
213.
213. Okay. Anybody else has got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. 213.
Who else has got? Saklain has got 213. Mudabbir also has got. Okay. Who else? Saklain, which method you are using?
I also got 213
Deep, you have got? You're using long division method?
Yes, ma'am. See, ma'am.
Everyone finish fast. Ahmad, are you there? Are you doing or not? Switch on your camera for some time.
I'm doing it.
Okay. Show me the solution. Amina, are you getting?
I'm calculating.
Abdullah, not got yet.
Yes, sir, I'm
Ma'am,
doing.
ma'am, I got it. 230.
213. Okay. I want answer from everyone. Then only I'll move to the next question.
Yes, ma'am, I got, ma'am, 213.
Got. Okay. Humaira, did you get the answer? Humaira, Safia.
Yes.
What is the answer, Safia?
213.
You also got 230. Okay. Ahmad, Humaira. See the solution. 852 ones are why it is taking so much time. Only two-step answer is there. 852 ones are 852. Remainder is 213. Then 852 becomes the dividend. So 213 4 times 852. So answer remainder 0. So your HCF is 213. So the answer is highest common factor of 852 and 1065 is 213. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, let us do some more question. 180 and 270. Okay.
Ma'am, it's long division method only, right?
Yeah, we are doing today only long division method because this is a new method. If you practice, then only you will understand. Without doing, you will forget this method. Ahmad, did you complete the last question? Ahmad and Humaira, please switch on your video.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am. 213.
You got no previous question. Now this question, 180 and 270. Humaira and Ahmad, if any problem is there, please ask.
I got the answer. 230.
Ma'am, I got the answer 90 of this question, ma'am.
This question, 180 and 270, who got the answer? Munib, you have got?
Yeah, yes, ma'am, 90.
Okay, used long division method?
Yes, ma'am. See,
Ma'am, 0 will become 10 na, ma'am.
Okay,
180 into 2, 0 will become 10 na.
180 and 270. First you
So
will
this
make
0 will become 10 na of 180. And 2s are 20.
180 ones are it will go na first. 180 ones are it will go 270. Anybody else has got the answer?
Ahmad has also got.
Mudabbir, what is the answer you got?
Ma'am, 90.
Ma'am, I also got 90, ma'am.
90. Okay. Ahmad has got, Mudabbir has got, Munib has got 90. Who else?
Ma'am, me.
I also
Abdullah
got
has
90.
got, Muazzam has also got.
I also got 90.
I also got 90.
Amina has got 90.
90.
Safia, you have got 90.
Ma'am, 90.
Okay. Humaira and Ahmad,
Yes, ma'am, 90.
90. So 90 is the HCF. You can see 180 ones are 180. 180 comes here. 90 is the remainder. So 90 is a divisor. So 90 twos are 180. Answer is 90. Okay. Next question is 248 and 492. Start doing it. 248 and 492. So 248 is the divisor and 492 will be dividend. I think it is simple. What is 248 into 2?
496.
496. So ones are only it will go because we have 492. Okay. So 248 ones are will go because twos are is 496. It will not go by 2 times. So
Ma'am, the answer is 244.
244. Who has got the answer? Ahmad, you have got, or Sakleen? Sakleen, you have got the answer?
Yeah.
How much you said?
244.
244. Okay. Anyone has got 244? Then we'll check with the solution.
Ma'am, me.
Who is me? Safia or Amina?
Me. Sophia.
Safia. You have got two. How much is your answer?
244.
You got 244. Okay.
The answer should be 2, ma'am, because see, ma'am, ma'am, I got 2 answers, ma'am.
You got 2? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are getting different answer. How come all of you are getting different answer? Let us start doing this. Then I will do. Anybody else has got? Even if you are getting different answer, just tell me what answer you are getting, so that we can try over here. 248. How we are going to do? How you did, Safia? You tell me. 248
248 divided by 492.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am, the answer
remainder
is
of
4.
244.
The
Ma'am,
answer is 4, ma'am.
Answer is 4. Okay, let us see what we are getting. It will go
248
by 1.
1 only, ma'am, because 490.
Yeah.
Then 248 you write.
244 will be the
2
remainder, ma'am.
doesn't go. So we'll do 12 minus
What's the
8.
remainder?
12.
Ma'am, remainder will be 244, ma'am.
244.
244 will be the remainder.
And 2.
And then
44. So this
divided by 248. Divided by 248.
is 248.
The remainder is 4 in that. Remainder is 4 in that. Yes, ma'am. 4.
And then 2.
One
Yes.
time.
Remainder is 4, ma'am.
4.
The answer is 4. HCF is 4.
Remainder is 4. Again, I will divide, na?
Yeah, by 244.
Again, 244. Yeah.
Four.
Answer should
4 is
be
the answer.
4. 4, 6 and 4 ones are right.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I also got 4.
Answer is 4. Huh?
Yes.
And Safia, how you were getting? You were getting wrong answer. 244 is not the answer. 4, you have to divide the
And
last.
I only did till 244.
No, you have
Yeah,
to
left
go
it.
till 0 remainder. Okay. So HCF is 4. Rest everyone, just check your answer. Amina, answer is 4. Write your answer. Farhana, answer is 4. Mozam Mudabbir, did
Ma'am,
you
I got 4 only.
got 4? Okay.
Ma'am, we also got 4.
Okay, yeah. So give me the correct answers when I am asking you. Just give all your answers. Even if it is different, it is fine. Let us see whose answer is correct and whose is wrong so that we can correct. Okay, Humaira, did you see the solution?
Ma'am, I got the answer as 4.
Answer is 4.
Ma'am, I also got 4.
Yeah, so HCF of 248 and 492 is 4. Next question. 1078. Now you have 3 numbers. 1078, 1353, 979. So first take any 2 numbers and then find the HCF.
Ma'am, we have to take the smallest number, right? Not any 2.
No, any 2 you will take. The smallest out of these 2, the smallest one will be divisor. Okay. So any 2 number you take, the smallest one will be the divisor, and then find out the HCF of these 2 with the 979 HCF you have to. So 2 steps are there. Now find out. Yes, Abdullah.
No, ma'am, this is my brother, ma'am.
Brother is disturbing you? Tell him to solve the question with you.
Solve the question.
Tell him to solve by normal simple method, the HCF.
So Ali, how much is 400, Ali? How much is 4? Yeah, tell me how much is 4? Okay, 100. Okay, Muskira. So Muskira said one way of 400, 200 plus 200. Zainab, sorry, Umaima said one way of saying of 400 is 200 plus 200. Okay, what?
Yeah, Farhana, did you get the answer?
Ma'am, I'm solving it.
Yeah. Anybody has got first two ka HCF 1078 and 1353?
How many hundreds? Zainab? Yeah, Zainab.
Safia, you have to go till remainder is 0. So you have to get till there. Okay?
Umema, your turn's over, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I go to Manna and Zainab?
Ma'am, we have to divide 1078 and 1353. Na?
1353, yes.
So we'll take first 1078 and then we'll do how much it comes.
It will go, I think 1 times only it will go.
Yeah.
1078 will go 1 times only.
We'll check, ma'am.
Wait. 2 times it will not go because 2 times it is 2, first digit will be 2. Yes.
Now the answer is 22.
Answer is 22, Sakleen?
For the first one.
First 2. Okay. Then find out for the third one. 979 also. Let everyone get the answer, then we'll check what is the correct answer. Yes, Safia? Not able to do, Safia? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we use calculator? ma'am?
No. For division, why should you use calculator? This is not a complex question. It's just
Ma'am,
division.
how do I do this? 13 minus 8, first 3 minus 8 doesn't go, then 13, then this also, then 5 and 7 also doesn't go, then it comes.
I'll tell you a technique for larger division.
7.
Suppose I have to divide 1078 and 1353. I will see that 2 ones are 2, but here it is 1. So it will not go by 2 times. Okay. So I will take it 1 time only. Understood? This way we divide. And what is the remainder you are getting after first division? See.
Ma'am, I did first 979
Okay.
and 108. So I'm getting the answer 11.
11. Then 11 and 1353. Do it again.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
The answer is 11.
Answer is 11. Okay, Sakleen is getting 11. Yeah, Munir, do the second part. Yes, Afia. Yes, Afia, tell me.
ma'am, in here, we do like I did 1078 and 1353. Okay, ma'am. Then first we get 13 minus 8 is 5. And then we cancel 5, so it comes 4. Then again we take 14. Then 14 minus 7 is 7.
Okay.
3 will become 2. Then
Yes.
2 minus 0 is 2. Then we have to cut 1. So how will we take 1 with this, ma'am?
1 minus 1 is 0, no? So
No, ma'am. Because we took this, so we minus 3. Because we took 5, so 14 minus 7, na, ma'am. So it comes 7. And then 3, then 2 minus 0 is 2. Then we'll cut 1 also, na. So how will
1 minus 1 is 0.
Not like that.
Then how? Subtraction,
Hey,
no?
ma'am. Look.
Okay, let me do the subtraction, what you're telling. Let me do it here. You are telling me, just a moment. What you are asking? 1, 3, simple, 5, and 3 minus 1, 0, 7, 8. Okay. What you did first?
13 minus 8.
13 minus 8 is how much?
5.
5. Here it is 4. Okay. So again borrow over here. 14 minus 7 is what? 7. So here what is left? 2. 2 minus 0 is what? 2. Okay.
1 minus 1
1 minus 1 is 0. That is what I'm telling you. So 275 is the remainder. Got it? So this 275 will be now divisor. And what was your divisor? This 1078 will be your this thing. Dividend. Got it? Now you do. Anybody else has got the answer?
I'm not able to divide 11 with 1353, ma'am.
You are not able to divide. Let me check why you are not able to divide. Let me see. Raise pen. You have to divide. You have to divide. Yeah, Munir, you are not able to do this division. 11 divided by what? 1353.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me how it will go. 11 ones are 11. Correct? 11 ones are 11 will go first. Simple division you have to follow. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So it comes out to be 25. 11 twos are...
Ma'am, I got it.
Got it? Simple full divide you have to do. 22. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 11 threes are. So your final answer is 11 because I think your answer should be 11. Dividing completely. Anybody else?
11 is right.
10:30.
Let me see. Yes, I think 11 should be the answer. Because I have not done the first part. I just continued with Munib, what Munib said. Anybody else has the answer?
Ma'am, I got till 33, but then I don't understand what to do.
11 is the answer. See the solution over here. If you start with 1078, 1353, once one time it will go 275 is the remainder. Then 1078 is the divisor, again dividend. 275, 3s are 825, remainder is 253. So 253 becomes the divisor and 275 comes here and becomes the dividend. Now 253 ones are 253, remainder is 22. 253 comes over here. 22 ones are means it will go by 11. So 22 ones are first you will do, then again 22 ones are, you get the answer. Remainder 11. Now 11 and 22 comes here, so 2. So 11 is the HCF of first two numbers. Now second, the next two number, for next number 979, take this 11 and 979. So 11 8s are 88. Remainder 9. 9 comes down, 99.
I got 11.
So answer is 11. Is it clear? See, you have to complete the division and the last remainder you have to take. So full division, like here also, you 2 times you have to divide. Ones are and then ones are. Then full remainder is last में 11. Okay? Is it clear, everyone? Saklain, you had got 11? Muni,
Yes, ma'am.
did you
I
get
got 11.
Azam, Mudabbir, did you get
Yes,
11
ma'am, I got
answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Humaira and Ahmad, just see the solution if you are not able to find. Amina, is it clear?
Yes.
Safia, now the division is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
See, in this, you are practicing division also. Because for these divisions, you cannot use calculator. See, calculator is not allowed mostly till 10th standard. Okay, so just practice using this. Somewhere in some boards, calculators are allowed, but normally in normal board IGCSE sometimes it is allowed, but normally it is not allowed. So just practice using without using calculator. Okay. Okay. So can we move to the next question?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now do this question. This is now 3-digit number. Now I want answer from everyone. 150, 375, 210.
Ma'am, what is the previous answer?
11.
11, na?
We can take any 2 numbers.
Any 2 numbers. Take any 2 numbers and the last may you take the leftover number. Whichever is easier for you, take those 2 numbers. Humaira, are you doing?
Ma'am,
Yes, Abdullah.
HCF of 150 and 210 is 30.
Then find out with 30 and 375. I
Yeah.
got the last answer. Yes, Safia, which two numbers you
Ma'am,
are
I
taking?
got the 150 and 210. I got 30.
30. Okay, then
Also got 30.
30 and 375. Last answer. Because you have to find for all three. So 2 you have found. Then take it, the HCF of these two and the third number. What is the answer?
I got 15 answer of whole question.
All three is 15. Okay.
Ma'am,
Sakli,
I also got 15.
okay. Mozam has got 15.
You were artist all here.
Ma'am, I also got 15, ma'am.
Okay, Munib has got 15. Safia, which two you are taking first?
150,
I did the method with
210.
150 and 210. Yeah, Munib, which method you are doing?
Ma'am, first I took 15 and 210. I got 30, then I did 30 and
Ma'am, I got the answer 15.
375, and I got 50 then.
15. So everyone is getting 15 answer. Farhana, you
Yes,
got 15.
yes, ma'am.
Amina.
I'm calculating.
Okay. Humaira and Ahmad are not giving me answers. And their videos are also off. So I'm not able to see whether they are doing or not.
Eleven minus 5, 6, 1.
Safia, you got 30 for first two, means 150 and 210, you got 30.
Wait.
This is the solution I've given you. Those who have taken 150 and 375, answer still will be same. See, final answer will be 15 only. Any way you do, the last answer should be 15. All of you took 150 and 210 and then you found with 375. Okay?
Ma'am, Ahmad is answering on the chat, ma'am.
Yes, Muni?
Ma'am, you said no.
Next question is here. Here, see what you are telling.
Ma'am, you were telling no, Ahmad is not answering.
Yeah,
Answering on chat.
Okay, Ahmad is answering. Okay, I just saw. Okay, fine, Ahmad, I got the answer. But how you're doing that also I wanted to see. You have to use long division method. Okay, do the next question. 324 and 928. This is the last question today. And your assignment I have already given you LCM and HCF question. The HCF question you have to solve by long division and send it back. That is for your practice. If you do, then it is for your benefit. Okay, so try to solve the questions.
Ma'am,
Yes, Safia.
after this, after we get 60 minus 60 0, after that we have to find the HCF of 15 and 300 to 375, na?
Correct. You got 15 or you got 30?
30.
30. So 30 and 375 ka HCF you have to find. Okay? Find it out.
Ma'am, for the first question on this page, the
I did
answer is
this
15,
fine.
right?
Yes, Amina?
For the first question, the answer is 15, right?
Yes. First question answer is 15. Yes, Safia. First answer you got?
I did 150 and 210. I got 15, ma'am, answer.
150 and 210 is not 15. 150 and 210 is 30.
How?
Let me show you. How you did 150. I'm doing the previous question. Huh? Rest of you do
Ma'am,
the
I got the answer 3.
Divided by
3.
200.
Okay.
4, sorry. 4.
Okay. Second question, answer 4. Everyone else also find out. I have not checked. I'll check it now. Let me show it to Safia first. The previous question. This you have done, Safia? 150 and 210 you have taken?
Yes.
So how it goes? 150 ones are 150, right?
Yes.
What is the remainder?
50. 150.
Oh, remainder is?
150. No, 60.
Remainder is 60 only. Then it goes like this. Then it is
75.
then 60. How many times it go? Usa?
And
Okay. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear or not? Division you have to see. Remainder is 30. So 30 and this
Ma'am,
comes
answer is 40. 4, sorry, 4.
4. Okay. This goes to the. See, so you're getting 30 as HCF, right? Understood, Safia? So these two numbers 30. Now you take 30 and 375 and then you find the HCF. Now you do it yourself, Safia. Okay. 324 and 928. Who else has got the answer? Farhana, you have got 4. Muazzam, Mudabbir, they have also got 4. Saklain, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am. 4.
4. Okay. Munib, Abdullah.
Ma'am, almost done.
Saklain, you got 4?
I got 4.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I got the answer 8.
8. How come you're getting 8? Just check your answer. Even I have not checked yet. Let me see what is the answer. Answer is 4 only. See what mistake you have done. 324, 2s are 648. So remainder is 280. Everyone has done like this. Answer is 4. This question, HCF of 324 and 928. Just check what mistake you have done, Abdullah. Can you find your mistake from here?
Yes.
What was your mistake?
Ma'am, I wrote 260 instead of 280.
So it is 280. Remainder is 280.
Oh, I have to repeat everything.
Munib, did you get the answer?
4.
Muazzam, Mudabbir, is your answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mera, did you find the answer? 4. Yes, Mera?
$324.
So for weekend, just practice the questions that I have given you. HCF
I got 4, ma'am.
in assignment, last assignment. Okay, the same questions you do it using long division method. Is it clear? I have got the assignment from Muazzam, Mudabbir, Abdullah. They have done the assignment. Just repeat the HCF part with long division. And those who have not done the assignment, please do it using long division method and the repeated division method, both, because it is an important topic. HCF is required later on.
But now also it is
Ma'am,
showing that
I
error.
got 324 and
Error.
324 and 928. I got the answer 4.
Okay, I'll send this on stream, then you check. Stream you will be able to see, na?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this question which we are doing, I got 4.
You got 4. Okay, 4 is the correct answer, Munib. Yeah, Safia, did you complete the previous question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For science also, I have written on Google Classroom only. I have written on stream. Did you check? To find out the fact about lungs. I have written it on Google.
Respiratory system.
Yeah, respiratory system. I have given that. And the link also I have mentioned over there for model. Okay, so this method is clear to you all, everyone. Is this method clear or not? You want more?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Clear? You want more practice? I can give you some more questions in the next class. Do you want more questions?
I got the answer 12, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer as
4 is the answer, Abdullah.
Sorry, 4.
Ma'am, I got the answer as 2.
2? How come? Just check your answer, Amina. How come you're getting 2?
Ma'am, we can practice more questions on log division method.
You
It's
can
clear, but we
practice.
can practice.
You can practice. You want everyone, just I want answer from everyone. Do you want to do some more questions on long division?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so next
Yes.
class. Okay, so next class I'll be giving you some more questions on long division and repeated division also will do. Okay? Okay, fine. So that's all for today's.
Ma'am,
Just those
ma'am,
who
you divided 16 by 44. I divided 44 by 280.
you got no mistake. What was your mistake, Amina? Did you find?
Oh, ma'am.
You didn't find 16, 44 is there. 16 twos are 32. So 12 will be the remainder. Then 16 comes here. So 12 ones are 12. Then 4 is the remainder. Then 4 threes are 12. So you have 4 as answer. Can you find here? Can you see?
Ma'am, I divided 44 by 280.
That is correct. Na? 280 by 44. Reverse you did.
No, ma'am, not reverse.
The same way you have followed.
Ma'am, she's telling reverse.
She's telling reverse. So that's why I was asking. You did.
I did a mistake in the subtraction. I got the answer as 26 instead of 16.
Okay. Oh, so change it here and correct the answer. Okay. Now can I stop sharing now? Is the solution clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. I
Yes,
also
ma'am.
got 4, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. So next class again we'll do some more questions. So be ready, practice at home.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye everyone.
Bye.
Next class.